If there's one thing that messes up the quality of our sleep like no other, that's snoring. Our airways get blocked and the body is struggling to get enough oxygen while our bedside partner is fighting the desire to hit us on the head with something heavy. That's why we need Good Nighter. Good Nighter relaxes the nervous system before sleep and helps normalize breathing. The mix of soothing herbs helps us inhale in a soundless way and get plenty of oxygen to let our brain fully relax. Additionally, our partner puts the frying pan aside and can submerge into a deep sleep of peacefulness too. Discover the bliss of noiseless sleeping today at goodnighter.com.